sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is like random, literally so random, and it could be disaster, it could not be disaster. But I've been seeing this trend of people just mixing their foundations, mixing their hair products, mixing all bunch of random stuff together just for fun. And I will link down below the videos that I personally saw and the ones that I've heard that this idea has come from. But I just said, you know what, I'm gonna get all my twisting, curling, styling products together. No gel, no leave-in, just like the styling products, and put them all together and then just do my hair with it and see if I have an amazing twist out or a trash twist out. I'm a little bit nervous, just a little bit. Y'all know when stuff don't go together, it don't go together and it's gonna look a mess. So we're gonna see. Right now my hair is being deep conditioned, protein treated, and I ain't gonna tell y'all what's in my hair right now because that video is coming up. But do y'all see like these little ringlets? Okay, and I am growing, boy we are growing. Okay, if you're new here, subscribe, because I'm gonna rinse this out, get my hair sectioned off, show you the product. I have so many freaking twisting butters and stylers and all that stuff, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. I'm so hyped. I love like random unimportant challenge talkative videos. So okay guys, so I put 16 twisting butter curl cream stylers together, and I got this. When I tell you guys, this thing is thick, like it will fall eventually, but there we go. My hair is clean and it's stretched, well, stretching. It's just twisted back and stretching. I'm just trying to let it dry a little bit so it's not soaking wet, so that my hair will dry fast and I can make the video and get it out for you guys as soon as possible. Only two other things that I put in here I have not used before, and that was the Sasha Pure something cream curl thing that came in my curl box, and I haven't reviewed those things yet for you guys. And then the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil smoothie. I have never tried that before and that was brand new, so I dropped that in here as well. Everything else that I did, that I put, I have on my channel like somewhere. So if you search it, if you want to know about it, you can search the cream, type the name in a little search bar on my channel, and you guys can see, you know, if I liked it or not and what I thought about it, blah blah blah. So after I washed the conditioner out, I went ahead and put some aloe vera juice on there, and I sealed it with some oil, so we should be good to go. It's soft and everything, but it's not detangled. I haven't detangled it yet. I wanted to use a very light leave-in. I didn't want to use anything thick and creamy, so this came in my curl box like I think this last month, and it's the Oh My Glide pre-styling detangler with olive oil and organic aloe vera, and it's from Oyen Handmade, and it says tangles melt away so fast it'll leave you saying OMG. That's really cute. And since it's like watery and liquidy, I figured it would be perfect to kind of finger detangle and detangle my hair without, you know, putting too much cream on there, because I don't want any flakes, you guys. Like, so I'm gonna shake it up. My first time using this, so it's gonna take a while for the liquid to come out. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like a kind of creamy. It's like a, it's not very spray. It's not very spray. I cannot talk today. This is why I don't like to do my hair and talk at the same time. So this Oh My Glide, it's all right. It's all right. Like I wouldn't purchase this. I wouldn't buy this. Yeah, it's not making me say oh my god. And I'm gonna get some of my concoction It's very thick. And it's so creamy. I haven't even detangled my hair yet, but I'm gonna use this to detangle because that Oh My Glide isn't gonna do anything for me. Like it's not gonna do anything for me. So I just put this on the section and my hair is instantly soft. I mean, it should be. After like I put so much stuff in that mix, it should be super, super soft. This is what we have, guys. This is what we have. Okay, it's not a wash and go video. I want to do that for. And I'm gonna get my brush. Yeah, detangled like a dream. I didn't even have to pre-detangle. I kind of feel like I need some more. I don't know if I need some more. Cause I usually put like a leave-in, like a thick leave-in over. So I'm just gonna put some more towards the roots. I think that the ends have enough. Okay, now I'm gonna twist my hair. I'm just doing a lot of talking because I'm just like, oh. Definitely feels moisturized. It's not super shiny. I just put a little bit of the Kinky Tresses oil, just like to seal my hair again. I already sealed it before, but it just felt, it looked a little bit dry. Not dry. It looked a little bit dull. So I put a little bit of oil to give it some shine. And I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go to the gym. It will probably be dry tomorrow because my hair wasn't soaking wet when I styled it, so it should be dry by tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, I have definition. Okay, honey. Okay, I'm gonna pull all of it out and I will be back with the final look or whatever. Ooh, ooh. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my experiment. It doesn't look horrible, but it's not like a pop and twist out, but it doesn't look horrible. I don't know, my hair is really soft and it has a little bit of definition, but it's like really frizzy. Like I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like frizzy or whatever. I like the shape of it, and this is day one, and I put it up into a high ponytail overnight, and then I took it out, the ponytail out today, let the hair hang, and this is how it came out. So I like the shape that we have going on. I think it's cute, but yeah, it is not a pop and twist out, but it's moisturized, so I'm gonna just put it into like a puff or a little bun or figure it out, and I'll be really cute. But yeah guys, this is the end of my mixing all of my curly hair, natural hair, twist out creams, curly stylers together to do this pop and look. If you are new here, subscribe because we are trying to get to 10K like ASAP. And if you are not new here, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you know you get blah blah blah, so that you get notified when I post a video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I will see you guys in the next one. Comment down below if you enjoyed this like random video, and if you think my hair looks good or not, let me know as well. Okay, bye.